Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance.
Honest review of the REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam. Is it worth the hype? When it comes to ensuring road safety, recording unexpected events, or capturing stunning road trips, the REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam stands out as a top contender. This comprehensive review will delve into its features, performance, and usability while highlighting the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Key features of the REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam. 1. 4K 1080p dual recording. Firstly, the REDTIGER F7 impresses with its Ultra HD 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. The cameras work together to provide crystal clear footage, capturing details like license plates and road signs even in challenging lighting conditions. With a 170 deg wide-angle front lens and a 140 deg rear lens, this dash cam minimizes blind spots effectively. Camera compression can run up to 15 times faster than the slowest spot on radio, so lefty LEDs save you time and money. 2. Superior night vision. Additionally, the F7NP's phone 0.5 aperture lens and 6-layer glass construction, paired with HDR/WDR technology, deliver exceptional night vision. Whether you're driving on dimly lit roads or through tunnels, this dash cam ensures every critical detail is captured. 3. The Wi-Fi nav control. Convenience is another significant advantage. You can easily connect the dash cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and use the REDTIGER app to view, download, and manage videos. Sharing moments or evidence is just a click away, making it highly user-friendly. And 4. Built-in GPS. Furthermore, the integrated GPS records real-time speed, driving routes, and precise locations. This feature is invaluable for tracking journeys and providing evidence in case of accidents. 5. Reliable safety features. The G-sensor locks footage during collisions, while the loop recording ensures continuous recording by overwriting old files. Moreover, the 24-hour parking mode provides peace of mind by monitoring your vehicle, even when parked, hardware kit required. Pros of the REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam. Ultra HD 4K recording, crisp and detailed video quality. Wide coverage, reduced blind spots with dual wide-angle lenses. Enhanced night vision, reliable in low light conditions. User-friendly app control, easily manage videos via Wi-Fi. Integrated GPS tracks speed and location effectively. Continuous recording, loop recording prevents memory card issues. Parking surveillance provides added security with parking mode. Included accessories. Comes with a 32 GB memory card, saving additional costs. Cons of the REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam. Hardware kit required for parking mode. Additional purchase needed for 24-hour monitoring. Limited internal storage, 32 GB, may not suffice for long trips requiring frequent transfers or upgrades. Suction cup mount may loosen over time with frequent repositioning. Who should buy the REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam? If you're looking for a high-quality dash cam that combines exceptional video clarity, reliable safety features, and smart connectivity, the REDTIGER F7NP is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for daily commuters, road trip enthusiasts, and anyone seeking added security for their vehicle. Final verdict: is the REDTIGER F7NP worth it? In conclusion, the REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam offers a robust set of features at a competitive price point. Its 4K recording, night vision, and GPS tracking make it a dependable choice for ensuring road safety and recording memorable journeys. While the need for additional hardware for parking mode might be a minor drawback, the overall performance and functionality outweigh this limitation. Ready to get yours? Protect your vehicle and capture your travels in stunning detail with the REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam. It's a worthy investment for any driver. Insert affiliate link. With its combination of advanced technology and user SoFi design, the REDTIGER F7NP is a top-notch option for 2025. Make an informed decision and drive with confidence. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below.